Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Today we are going to learn about dynamic routing. So double click on Cisco packet tracer. That's it. Here is your router. Press Ctrl and click on it. And just draw a diagram like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now double click on router. Click on switch. Drag and drop. We have to configure the both port because we have the two area, so we're dragging this SWIC 2T to both port. Let's close it, and sorry, we have to on the switch, close it, same like sorry, power off, power off, same, power on, drag and drop, power off, power on, okay. Power off, power on, touch, power off, power off, power on, power on, okay, power off, drag and drop, power on, okay, power off, drag and drop, power on, okay. Now click on connection again, press Ctrl, click here, this again, do it, do it, okay. Now we have to configure this router, so double click here, click on CLI, type no, enter, again enter. Now enable router, global configuration, and host name, give a router name, router 1, okay. Now look at your diagram. First we have to assign the IP, okay. So let's assume this as 105 and this as 80, 135, 200, 120, and then 90. So just assume the IP address, okay. Now double click on here and continue here. Now choose your interface. First we're going to do this 105 routing, then we have to choose interface S01/0, press enter. Now IP add 105.0.0.1 for the submarks of 105. It is first class, so I put 255.0.0.0, enter. Now provide color rate 64,000 and no sort, exit. Again interface ASCII next port 0112, and add IP Now 80.0.0.1 and subnet marks. This is also class A, so we put 255.0.0. Again, clock rate 64,000. No sort. Exit. Okay. Close this. Go to router 2. Click on CLI. Type no into enable global configuration. Config T. Now give router name, host name. I'll provide R2. Okay, R2 assigned. Now I have to configure select interface IC 01/1 into I have to add. We have now 200 port 0.1, sorry, 0.1. It's lie under class C, so 255.255.255.0. Okay, sorry. Clock rate 64,000. No sort. Exit. Now another interface SC 0/1/0 to IP add 205.0.0.2. Now we're going to move from 200 to router 2 to router 1, so we have to put the IP 2. Now it lies in class A, so 255.0.0 intro. So we have already defined the clock rate, so we don't need to define here. So no sort set. Okay, same like this. CLI now into enable config T. Now choose interface, sorry, give the name of router, host name, 3. Now choose the interface SC 01/1 2. Add IP, show there is 220.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Okay, clock rate 64,000. No sir. Exit. Now another interface SC0/0/1/1, sorry, 0 into add IP 200.0.0.2, so 255.255.255.0. Okay, no short. Exit. Same like this. Router 3. Now into enable global configuration. Now router name, host name equal to now this is R4, so choose the interface SC 2/1/0. Okay, add IP 120.0.0.2 255.0.0.0. Okay, now set JIT. Here you can see it is connecting, so which router is connected, whether router are connected or not, you have to you can find out from here with this green button. Okay, now enable config T and host name, router name. Now this is going to be R5. Okay, Now choose interface he0 slash sorry okay he0 slash 1 slash 1 enter NIP 135.0.0.1 135 lies under class B, so 255.255.0.0. Okay, clock rate 64,000. No shot, sorry, jet. Okay, again interface IC0 slash 1 slash 0 into IP add 80.0.0.2 255.0.0.0. Okay, now then it put clock rate, so sorry, no shot jet. Close this, same like double click on router. Now enable router, global configuration, router name. Now this one is 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is 6. Okay, interface IC0 slash 1 slash 1 into IP add 90.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Okay, now okay, clock rate 64,000. No cert exit. Another interface SG0 slash 1 slash 0. Okay, into IP add 135.0.0.2. Okay, 255.0, sorry, this is class B, so 0. Now we need to put clock rate exit. Okay, last. Now enable config t. Now host name, this one is our router 456 and this one is 7. Okay, router 7. Interface 0 slash 1 slash 0. IP at 90.0.0.2 255.0.0.0. Okay, no shot jet. Okay, we have finished the interface connection configuration. So we have here in routing, in dynamic routing, we have three types of routing. These are, one is routing information protocol, you can say it RIP in shortcut, and there is another EIGRP, enhanced interior gateway routing platform, sorry, protocol. So, and the last one is OSPF, open shortest path first. So we're going to do these three types separately. So we're going to save as first RIP, save it, and again save as another EIGRP, save another file, save as OSPF, save it. Now we are in OSPF, so first we'll configure this OSPF protocol. So let's start. So in this protocol we have to assign the subnet max value, just inverse it and put it. So wait, how will work it? So let's see. Click on router 1. Okay, router configuration ensure. So we have here router, OSPF and 1000. Ensure network. Which network we have? This will do it. Like first, let's see, 105.0.0.0 space. So it lies in class A. So of value 0.0.255 and then area 0. Okay, network another 80.0.0.0. this is also lies in first class, so 0.0.255 area 0. Okay, let's finish. So do it here also. Router OSPF 1000, network. Now we have two network, 5.0.0.0 and same 0.0.255 area 0 and network 200, sorry, network 200.0.0.0 and it lies under class 3, so 0.255.255.255 and area 0. Okay, same like router OSPF 1000 and network we are going to 200.0.0.0.255.255.255 area 0. Network, okay, let's load. Network 0.0.0 0.0. it lies in class A, so 0.255 area 0. Okay, here router OSPF 1000 and the network 120.0.0.0 0.0.0.255, oh sorry, 255 area 0. Okay. Same like router OSPF 1000 network 80, sorry, 0.0.0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay, network 135.0.0.0.0, sorry, network 135.0.0.0 imagine class B, so 0.0.0, sorry, 255.255 area 0. Okay. close it. So for router OSPF 1000 here. Network 135.0.0.0.0.255.255 area 0. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, enter network 90.0.0.0.0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay, close it. Enter router with PF 100, then network 90.0.0.0.0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay, now we have finished. So let's check whether it is running or not. So here we have SH IP route. We'll check the IP route. Okay, oops, oh sorry, here press Ctrl Z, enter SH IP route, enter. So here is your detail, here is your route detail. Same as if you need the protocol details, SH IP protocols, enter. Okay, here is the protocol information. So if you need the brief information, you go to interface, SH IP enter, and interface brief. Okay, if you want to run if you want to trace where you are run, or where you are let's say that, let's see where you have broken the link, whether your program is runnable or not. SH run, enter, 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 enter. Okay, let's see, shell port 0 IP, okay, shell port 0 and 0. We have somebody that look here 105.0.0.1, and the subnet max is 255.0.0, and clock rate is this. Let's see another interface. Look, 80.0.1 and 255. Okay, clock rate 64. Same like you can find your network, you can run your network. Okay, this is finish the OSPF, save it. Also you can ping your IP whether it is connected or not. Go to here, ping space, let's check the 90 interface 90.0.0.1. okay, it's sending. Okay, we successfully read. So we have finished the OSPF routing protocol. So let's do the another one. Save it, open the file, yes. Let's do EIGRP. You can open. Okay, here is your EIGRP file. Okay, so as same like OSPF, click on router 1, CLI, press enter, enable config T, and then router EIGRP 100 into network. So here we have direct network 800.80.0.0 and 105.0.0. So let's start with 80.0.0.0. Let's enter network 105.0.0.0. Okay. Just three line. Okay, close it. Now server enable config t router EIGRP 100 and then network. So we have here two network 105.0.0.0 and okay, network 200.0.0.0. okay, done. In here enable config t and router EIGRP 1000 network. We have network then 200.0 sorry .0.0.0. okay, network 120.0.0.0. close it. Enable config t. Now we have only one interface, that is okay, router EIGRP 1000 and then network space 120.0.0.0. enter. Is it? Enable config t. okay, router EIGRP 100 network. We have 0.0.0. okay, again network 135.0.0.0. close it. Go to the router 6 CLI enable config t. okay, again router EIGRP 100 and then network 125.0.0.0. okay, into network 90.0.0 sorry 0.0 into close it. Finally last li into enable config t and then sorry router EIGRP 100 and then network 90.0.0.0. okay, sorry, what happened? Oh my god, mesh r network. okay, so the configuration is almost finished. Save it. So whether it is connect or not, ping here, ping 90.0.0.1 into invalid detection. oh my god, what happened? okay, control Z enter ping 90.0.0.1. okay, so it's running. So you can run message, run. See, here is your program running. Like, okay, here is your IP, here is your serial, clock rate, everything. Okay, just try it. Now at last, RIP. Okay, we're here, RIP. So in RIP, it's routing information protocol. So double click on it, CLI, enable config T, router RIP, okay, network 80.0.0.0.0.0, okay. Okay, okay, again network 105.0.0.0, enter, close it, CLI enter config T, router RIP, and network 105.0.0.0, okay, network 200.0.0.0, close it, config T, router RIP, network 200.0.0.0, again network 120.0.0.0, okay, CLI into config T, router RIP, network 120.0.0.0, okay, another one into config T and router RIP, network at 0.0.0.0, network 135.0.0.0, okay, close it, CLI into config T and router RIP, network 135.0.0.0, network 90.0.0.0, okay, last one in config T, router RIP, network 90.0.0.0, okay. Finally it's completed. Save it, Ctrl Z, pin here 90.0.0.1, okay, not Spain. So run sh, run like it, it's running. For your information, okay, router IP, okay, well, thank you for watching this video. have a good day, guys.